Wagwan ENT.
Centralize and be wise, and then we just give the whole place the vibes. Say me now. You know my rhythm. Now no mercy. Hey yo, sentence. You know we are free two psalms. Hey yo, find up a place. Anyway, they make on no chain, lots of it, no chain. Boy, life in the dirt, keep me on top. Cause you live sentence versus up in there. Find up a place. Some of you say my who gonna never miss a one of me. And I done that free, make everybody see no you. People say just something look like me, but I gonna kill you too. And your friend me tree. So they wanna be me. And some rotted gun me up over there. And the same thing, find up a place, man. Hey yo, yellow. Sure. I don't know the people that run up and down and act like them have no sense. So none don't know so they and everything nice. I got and bully cat thing a two sentence man. I don't know so right now them and they not fake. When if you know them you they are uplifting you to the community and everybody know them and respect them. So you shouldn't even disrespect the whole organization. I want to know the sentence and my place. I mean not disgrace to them. None of mercy. Hey yo, yellow. You know my flow. I'm ready to kill these motherfucking punks slow. Stay ready for this. Well, you know we ain't no bullshit fellas. Man of the cartellers, fingers and the cigars. Give me the major figures, big gun singers, blue fight bringers, kill DJs, selectors and singers. Many might be losing but better winners. Well, this is the next millennium. Who say you're ready to kill them? Shooting at the stadium. Hey yo, Lord. So me tell them, say, well, stepping on the deadly zone, can she kill all alone? Shoot them like Al Capone. Hey yo, Nitty Kutsi, them girl going in that shit.
Say we, shawty gonna get down, good lord. Baby got them open all over town. She claim it, she don't play around. Cover much grounds, got case by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day in two fair way. King Key to right about my center, you see. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Center to other number one. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo.
Y'all know myself, them wonder where scare them were. Some boy not no use on them time to pay. But out them word, so they tell them straight. Without a delay, y'all come check me one day. And this them say, well, how we the girl of a fella, so me not think them a dollar. Me stand them gyal hard like gyal and I would have from me collar. And me hear them a spin over and me you blow up a pillar. Whatever thing them talk and tell me like a storyteller. Well, the one when you Munchinella, Bromwell hits it with the one. Well, gyal a run with them like passport for visa. Hook up sentence so we just can't leave ya. And we a pleaser, and we no teaser. What you are the girl them leader. Hello, that a call we answer them one we jingle. We scare them one make some mingle. Y'all surround we like some diamond bangle. Y'all hotter from every hunger. Them of the one we have the candle. Well, yeah, take it up bullshit. Some like how the people them voice them opinion and express them stress and it makes sense. Me I say right now, the people them step out into the street and stand out for them rights and them progress and them future of this country and everything might never went in the right manner. Little looting, shooting, but you know say we always have people in the society we don't look for the future, the development of the youths. They just look for their own personal gain, so they are going to use that as a little motive to do them thing and shun it and make it look as if what we do never really makes sense. But right now, the people them have to stand up for them rights. Say you will do. Give me one new rhythm because the one here new thing because I don't know, say the people them have it. Listen me too. And let me tell them, the leaders them supposed to represent the people, but most of them represent them party. So if you learn that, watch who not elect and select, cause who not gonna get reject. So you will do me. Give me the heavy metal or the bada, one of them. You understand? Cause politicians bada, them just bada. Hey. reggae stars and reggae boys bring me joy. Fire we up on politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And no few them boy that destroy. Well, reggae stars and reggae boys bring me joy. Fire we up to a politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. To watch it was up and that is what them enjoy. Them opportunists. Yo. Well, hear me, if the mic need more battery or something, wanna tell me, but me no need no fear embarrassed to love or see what me I say? So if for the money time I could go one more time. So listen, rhythm track me could try it again. It name Divide and Rule. So if you're PMP, GLP, NDA, or whatsoever, listen to me, you're supposed to just live in harmony. Cause reggae boys and reggae stars bring me joy. Fire we up on politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And no future them boy they destroy. Well, reggae stars and reggae boys bring me joy. Fire we up to a politician boy. Divide and rule and leave us unemployed. And no future them boy they destroy. Lord. And no future them boy they destroy. And left we in despair. Leaders of this country are too hand fear. Rob the country of it birth right and with fear sheer. Overlook with troubles cause if them don't care. Ignore we cry like them can't hear. Frightened fear them are investing in nuclear. Inflation because a living gets so dear. Dear belong to the meek every year can square. Future of this country ain't getting nowhere. Show the politician why we are getting somewhere. Mount Zion the Lord will be there. Reggae boys are steer, reggae stars are drag here. Fiddy Gideon, I want them boy they prepare. Them judgment now share. Well, reggae stars and reggae boys bring me joy. Fire we up on politician boy. They find them rule and leave us unemployed. No future them boy they destroy. Them opportunists check doing garden and me check and joke clueless. Them hear the song and them say is I tune this. Them lock off the dance to a clock we stop the music. Them shoulda know a poor people go spoon this. Them don't know we culture cause them only assuming. Internationally no people consuming. That's why Shabbat Ashagi sell so much unit and no much Grammy. And that's still no proof it from my experience. When I start using hey yo, yellow. Yeah. Ready back. One more time now. Give me that. Yo. You know my flow. I mean to kill them slow and collect the dough. Get him the next millennium and them up enemy. That's the beginning of the ending of my enemy. Well, it's all of it, element and it's a remedy. Designed to stop them resources and energy. Bomb down Heathrow, hijack Kennedy. As them roll at ransom, can't come off enemy. Cause this war get on a wall. So I make a manual, niggas living like animal. Every day it is a funeral. So me too brutal, do them crucial. Turn them non-neutral, shoot them as usual. Sentence, take it murder boy and execute y'all. You know the next millennium and them up enemy. That's the beginning of the ending of my enemy. Me a big element and it's a remedy. Designed to stop them resources and energy. From down Gatwick, hijack Kennedy. And this world at ransom, can them come off enemy. Shoot them, tell them heard of me. And them want to heard of me. And them want one third of me. Some fatty wanna murder me. Go ahead and fight me, we don't have to like me. Talking like it is and not like it might be. Talking politely, they can move me slightly. When me make me speak, you don't take them lightly. Cause sentence will be gonna Almighty. Next millennium and them a enemy. That's the beginning of the ending of my enemy. Sing it. Lord, my name is. Well, I'm in the warlord from a papa shot. Should have a shy hard and a point I had. Now me step in charge, they guns at last. Come here, so me give them a, but them go take it too. That's when me a war, make a chip it done. 10 tons for spell double on A-R. Tell boy cool and them go renew the war. Walk up, but man, me no try to no charm. See them a fat man and them a drink from a. Don't do it for but they just a flip. Take a party, walk up my cellar. When them a come a style up bad bad like cigar. Who the girl them me say they don't know who we are. Sentence of fear them must kill a boy. Can't tell my bar. Tell them in them from a provider. Law. And them say them won't clash. But me tell them say me not get paid for clash. Over the years, me give them a lot of clashing. And now the people themselves publishing because like our fight is a scashing. If them want clash, tell them say clash done. Hold them up by war and war yard locked down. Once of them want war and them got done. Brother from them grandfather to them grandson. But if them start clash, tell them it not done. Me have a shotgun and me must kill that done. Me no back down, oh tree and me lock down. Make them chase, let them the woman. What a ras as a cry. One confront man I say in my heart. Get all out, say it create first row. First or second. Hey yo, singer, come on.
Yo, you don't know sentence. Yo, run that and we done that cause I fun that. See, you don't know sentence people when a bad man for years and they give a century. See, it's a run that stole up. J for South Africa. You see? You don't know. When a bad man for years and century. So one thing coach you tell them. They don't know who they run come this. I chat about them nine well crew man Chris. Them don't know we no afraid of no crew. Man a bad man, man a bad man. Certain boy a hype up and I send they threats. None of them don't know cause them no hype up yet. We got them under big curfew. Man a bad man, man a bad man. Squeegee you know them one at a time. Lock them away where the sun don't shine. No they crying, now they begging for their lives, yeah. Them dismay now, them realize we take things cool, we don't make up no nice. While boy talking, we keep working on our disguise, yeah. We see them all a pose up with them gun, but they better look someplace to run. You know see a judgment come, man a bad man, man a bad man. Yes, you better look someplace to hide. Lock up in a jail and stay inside. Where them a go do with them bride? Man a bad man, man a bad.
That's why when you see bad man look like no chucky, it's a this me one time and go there you lucky. Wait up it for
ENT.
new tune. This one name indecent. Cause some of these little brother, all of them done shatter since recent. So me I tell you say, is either the one got GPR over number 5%. You understand? So these little lower come up shatter get flat out. Low, how them a come a go on indecent? Tell me say them bad but them dish start recent. How them murder 10 man and GP them frequent. Me never say which part of pussy will end when cross ends. When them a go on indecent, tell me how them bad but them dish start recent. Say them murder enough man Spanish town them frequent. Well them on the drugs are some farmer influence. Watch it, what the possible end. Well, who them a try to rise against? Them must in no sense. Who them a accept persistent when them get so confident. When them make a left in a threat and there's not no oxygen. Come here, something take equipment, not to collect argument. Gunshot dead me sentence. Well, how them a come and go on indecent? Tell me say them bad but them this not recent. On the murder up and a GP them frequent. Yeah. And when I said low, don't you misunderstood that low. And go low. He may take it out and play it slow. So check it out now. I said they are indecent and they said they're bad but since recent. So they're kicking up like a bull. But if my gun pull, it's gonna be awful. So check it out. Oh, them a come and book you like the bull of Chicago. Must sit down a man, no one of them why you want go. And them all a dress like a some bad man want go. Them shut up in them embargo. Oh, them a come and book you like the bull of Chicago. From Jordan retire, them flap like cargo. And them all a dress like a so hot Chihuahua. Call me name in them embargo. Tell them me call them jumbo. Black to black, right now give them in a combo. Black, white, load up them bumbo. This wine up a place where them a go bumbo. So they never typically read my our jungle. Tell them I told me turn up just so humble. One of them a treat like a sissy and a fumble. Make up it done, pass it all me not rumble. Find it on the jungle. Well, what am I come about you like the bull of Chicago. Them on them at the one of them boy you walk go. Them all a trust like a so Batman boy go. One shot up in and them go. One day you can't think twice. Tell them so that I run the price. Who they go make me country mice? That is not a lovely choice. When the word roll up and dice, that's like a pound of rice. When I them get sacrificed, listen to this broken fight. One of these Batman them shot things twice. Well, when I come about you like the bull of Chicago. Well up. Come again. Step out here. This is Bramwell, where daily bread.
Hello! What them say?
Let's Scare Dem too. Bramwell and daily bread. Scare Dem too, ready to knock them dead.
Hey, Ocho! Big up the man, them in a them casket. But mosquito strings and diamond rings. Real shot away, real thing. What them so real thing? Real things? What are they together? Play it low, stone low. Play it low. Ocho, listen, Ocho. So me say, mosquito strings and diamond rings. Real shot away, real things. Victoria's Secret lingerie, pinky rings. Hot girl for real things. Hot car flashing rims. All of those things. Watch him man do real things. Well, do she go on no iceberg with strings. Me say, hot girl for real things. Run with me, tell them I this them a sing. Can you tell me that boy see we are hot things? Like we Rolex and we diamond rings. Watching on your mosquito string. I real life don't live no matter take life to take. Every morning FedEx park on your bed. Sleeping every night in a brand new happy way. Mother with your business place. Watches, mosquito strings and diamond rings. What them say? Well on, watch it. Sound like we are going say hello.
Yo,
That's the flow.
emergency. Urgency. Someone has lost them wallet and they had very important particles and documents inside it. So they said if you want to take the cash, ain't mad with that, but please let me get back those papers to make contact. Alright? So you can take the cash, you could take that, no problem, but just let them get back them papers to make them contact. Alright? Scare them to get back.
Ocho! Scare Dem too. This one is new. Hey! Run the street sweeper. Run the street sweeper. Okay, you don't clean. Alright. Run whatever you have. This one brand new. Call Scare Dem 1 and 2. Hello!
What them say?
Pineapple exchange. No, Scare Dem 2.
What the man from Falkland?
Flanker. Let them know this. Little coaches here, Scare Dem 1. Bounty Killer, the Warlord Gang. Let them know. So me say, Scare Dem 1 and 2. You know how niggas like us do. We don't give a fuck about your crew sound. Do what you got to do. Scare Dem 1 and 2. You know how niggas like us do. We don't give a fuck about your crew sound. Do what you got to do. The war is on. And some boy a ball and I bet the war is on. When the exchange I made the war is on. And you know the blood one shed the war is on. And the war is on. And some boy a ball and I cry the war is on. Put him on the blood and love why the war is on. Why you go bust like why the war is on. Now what you want me to do? Worry them in me war. Let's get them to retaliate the others. Metal pop up. Get them to your kindness. Lyrics about you like you woke up in a what? Scare Dem 1 and 2. You know how nigga. Hello! Bounty Killer, the Warlord Gang.
Yeah, that's nice. You know, but I'm sorry to say, Baby Shaman's not here, and I thought he declared that days ago, so we ain't gonna dispute it. You understand? Baby Sham is away doing all the show. I represent. You understand? If he was here, he would have make you get your share, but you know he has some other engagement, some other place elsewhere. So we may say, so we have to just work with it, get in concert with it, pants and shirt and skirt with it, alright? So let's bounce back, give me back the badder, cause you know me a badderation. Hey, let me batter somebody down. Hey yo, you know! We ready to sing with little thing now, but you don't remember me something, right now?
Girl, you know you better watch out. Cause I just really wanna fuck up that thing.
Well, enough girl me bump off before. Me a more run through them gyal like store. A gyal a me put up in them legs like door. Well, me a pimp send me all of them whore. Well, me fi put them on a bedroom tour. And what gyal so hard them cannot ignore. So make them application finish hardcore. Well, me go let me start to your ramp. No, gyal a searching me from here go to say. Them you go with slam excellent in a bed. Say them want fuck me off and some want give me head. I got virgin and with me like out of bed. Them bumper shoes crumble me like it. Tell them a sound me like a them daily bread. Y'all call up before till me teeth all in it. Outstanding performance, the words start to spread. Well, girl, you know you better watch out. I just really wanna that thing. Me run through them gyal they like passage. Gyal open your leg when Batman wants your crutches. My lana happy give them without no stop it. She go tell her friends and me that them power up it. Well up on us when them gyal are in the cockpit. But them they catch you a tree to ashes. Some call this game and them yummy like sausage. Well and them say them love me flashes and dashes. Well girl, watch out. Yo, come now. Get this thing on the better again.
Yeah, run back one after the The mic are nice still enough. G4, 7
1, 2.
Yo, we love the people them that much, we have to deliver. See, so run the matter. See, Shatters. Why, yeah. For the one of the shatter now, send that shatter. Show up. Big up all the shatter, the shotties them, but the trigger happy one. Them we are gonna list them. Whoa. All the shatter, the shotties them, yes the trigger happy one. Them we are gonna list them well. Top shatter we no go and cook base now. Girl no sit down in a top shatter face now. Top shatter no quarrel nor trace so. Gun pop off long time you erase so. Like a army we invade the place so. Now left no heavy days, now left no trace so. So no boy no call no court case cause. Top shatter will. Big up all the shatter, the shotties them, but the trigger happy one. Them we are no man. So shatter there. The shatter there. The shatter there. We are the girl them shatter. Ratatata. Shatter there. The shatter there. The shatter there. We are the girl them shatter. Check this again so. Voodoo para this and this Scare Dem rock. Scare Dem Crew. Voodoo para this and this Scare Dem rock. Scare Dem no fear them a lashy attack. Voodoo para this and this Scare Dem rock. Scare Dem Crew won't look back. Voodoo para this and this Scare Dem rock. Scare Dem get hype and bust out of the bar. Love or no? See?
Yo, give me my some them now. All of them they never in my kitchen. Alright, give me my recipe now. Short time. Yeah. Start time, not bar time. It's more likely war time. Let it go. Let it flow. You know. One time. Hey yo, Mr. Passive. I thought they would be happy to see we all gather here. Ain't been like no clapping. Hey, who's all about him and no want them around me? Want see me them so them can get free mouth me. Demon start from a stage off his down way. Well, one like I'm in the bottom and now they found me. Me on the press I tried them best it on me. Cancel me visa, that still not round me. Okay, no time the pussy will them try to clown me. No time me have it, well born for soul me. One from exchange, they gonna feel me. Well, we are the man, look like some boy want to shoot him. Call them man, don't know about them and couple him. So make me dust. Who's all about him and no want them around me. Want see me them, so them can't get free about me. Demon start, come and stay out the stone way. For the girl then. Swell, woman not trail me, one won't trail me. One queen about how would one would trail me. So they don't feel me, not a blackmail me. One would me just do it. Woman take charge of us and fight cat walking. Some fly down like me, marking. Some rocket, some choke, bang and party. Some run the walk or talking. no send request. Call up me name, me no foreign press. Now send them pen up. Yeah. So when them a trail me, not trail them a trail me, if you email me, y'all send request. Call up me name, me no foreign press. No send them pen up at them contest. I feel beg when them under distress. When the woman them a run contest, and I send request. Call up me name, me no foreign press. No tell them friend and them all confess. Beg when them under me stress, and them all a run contest. Well, enough of them a press, in the all a test. Wicked when me on the me getting on me way. Me the girl them name, where if me say, cabin in the savage and never make up me spade. Y'all a say down the place so them want to find me. Call up me phone so them want to join me. Now stop seek until them find. Them will want to find. Send request. Call up me name in a foreign press. Don't tell them to That's why, right now, to the girl population, all of me girl them have to work in collaboration. Me and one or two girl, now go all no relation. That a me relation. Well, 4, 5, 6 girl in a rotation. Give me yard is where the girl them station. Me up for have a next girl in a every nation, and that a me religion. Well, from nation to nation, a girl in a rotation. From me location, like a probation. Me take me vacation, cause me want stay long. Me no pull up till me record me hit song. Swinging on me love like chain, I want swing song. Me girl a sweat pan, under my bed pan. Hot girl a pass and me must have to get one. The boy named Whitey, on the bun ding dong. Can't suit Rosie, and them can't suit Pong. Them too much cheese sticks, and too much ping pong. So up to me all of the girl them destination. Lord. Catch it. You know everything for me. Street life. You ready to treat life? When you live a street life, you have to know to care and treat life.
It goes
alright?
I play the street life. It's the only life I know. Street life. I got nowhere else to go. Street life. I've got a million parts to play.
I take no side.
Street life. Gotta hustle every day. Eat in the street, no time to sleep. I've got to get up out of my bed. I've gotta go, gotta hustle the dough. Can't stop now, gotta juggle instead.
Matter than the struggle, man, a puzzle and a chuckle. Me go for me no hustle, and them a say that man a smuggle. When me push me, I go to run and tell me shovel. In the streets, I got to keep out. Come again, sing it one more time. Cause you say all I know, a street life when I live. And you see when time you reach the top, you have to remember where you're coming from. At all time, I remember the people that were around you. As you can see, it's me and Scare Dem Army all the way. We never change, only the weather. I play
street life, it's the only life I know. Street life, I got nowhere else to go. Street life, I've got a million parts to play. Street life, gotta hustle every day. Get to the street, no time to sleep. I've got to get up out of my bed. I gotta go, gotta hustle the dough. Can't stop now, gotta juggle instead.
Struggle, man, a puzzle and a juggle. Me go for ring the hustle and them a say that man a smuggle. When me push wheel, I run turn on and turn the shuffle. In these streets, I got to keep out the trouble. When time rates so high and the gunshot a bubble, got to be humble, many fall and stumble. From TG to Jungle River and from the Dungle. Well, Babylon, your system it a crumble.
Play the street life, it's the only life I know. Street life, I got nowhere else to go. Street life, I've got a million parts to play. Street life, gotta hustle every day.
From ever since I know myself, I've been up in the streets, making all efforts to make ends meet. Never step on my pride, my freedom in no speech. Well, this is my speech, this is the way I see it. Them neglect the people, them and take it is release. When so long there is a justice, they can't be peace. Them a use your hungry politician of peace. Some of them leaders are supposed to earn peace. I play the street
life, it's the only life I... What is that?
Street life.
What is that? Yeah, man. Come on, from that with them, sing that for the ladies, them, God, no. I don't know. And I love to the ladies, the British crew and the whole crew. See, the whole of the man them in the God and the whole of the man them enough love enough. See, see this now, after the ladies them a cappella. See, I'm slightly host, but it's for the ladies. Alright? It's like this. Sweet lady, won't you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me. Sweet lady, won't you be my sweet love for a lifetime? I'll be there when you need me. Just call and receive me. Listen. No, any other day I would play it cool, but I can't now, cause I want you. And receive me. I know I can know. This is for the wicked man at the top shop and I know. Yeah, you hear me? Original rank by Bounty Killer. I'm a friend for life. See? It goes up. Acapella, I'm again, friend. It goes again. Oh, believe me, them punks that grieve me. This bad man and thought it would have been easy. Try to let them know. And it is that row. I feel black blunt and black talent. We are choking them slow. Oh, you see me guns them and I frowns. And black talent I crack them skull and break bones. Reload me guns them and put in a next row. One more time black blood to get them by the paws. Hey, fast come a style man like a clown. And when we cry them established and well known. And plus me guns them well mature and well grown. Somebody I go tell, find them unknown. I tell them fool ya, a bad man rule ya. Be a black blunt and make them sing hallelujah. This is no talk show when that the land must show. I cut it past Scare Dem Crew when I dangerous flow. Oh you see me cause them and a frown. I rock them skull and break bones. Reload me cause them and put in a next row. I want a black blood, them get them by the ball.
Cause them see we gun on a frown. So they should have known. My warlord is the man way show. Hey. Now the more life depends on my decision. Infrared and need seeking bullet with dark vision. Precise with precision from this position. Well I cannot done them with this murderous weapon. The more life depends on my decision. Infrared and need seeking bullet with dark vision. Precise precision from this position. Well I cannot done them with this murderous weapon. Stop for a second, pass the whole enough for reckon. Man of the power no depend. Notoriety on me weapon. Pussy wall fleet break. Bad man in session. It no make me rat with it. Set vibration. No know me ways. Me no have to mention. No start no rivalry or bad tension. Artillery feeling money spent pan. Cause me tell them about me nine. And them say them ban the nine. But me I tell them say Lord just thing fi me gun them no chance. So if them ban, I must elastic ban them, ban up some cash and put it in my hand. Only ban them can't come my way, or the ban must understand. Wanna see no ban a play? Me no see no ban. So when me I say, elastic ban can't ban up for me grand. So I must the ban. Jackass. So I'm low. Load up party low if you done them down. Me gonna bust her on them and walk around. The boy that seems so blessed, me got him in progress. Hell up all the house and gun down. Them this whole team on over stay alive. Them talk one bar and them can't survive. I know them bug me. Me to kill some pussy from about 95. Anytime. Rock and pop off all this and I. Well up pussy. Hey yo. What up say? Hey yo. The one in him rock and papa. Hey yo, back off. Batman no ride us. Fussy talk the talk, me walk the walk. Well, load up artillery if it on them down. Me gonna burst terror them and walk around. The boy them seem so blessed, me guns them in progress. And I'm proud house and gun down. Them this whole man I want stay alive. Them from gun hard, them can't survive. I know them fuck me. Me fit done some boy from about 95. Me say every time. Rock and pop off all this and I. Well a pussy wall a very same time. When we tell your friend man they step up and crime. Tell them say anytime. You see bad man but you pass the line. Act like you're blind on the red side. One bag of tracing thing me no try. No. Imagine me load up guns and they ping the street. Gun conceal and everything discreet. I'll know it burn me. I little fussy wall try to disturb the peace. Fight with me up, so go and load up your barrel. Load up figure run in and this like a slurry. Give me come to kill and them pussy wall a quarrel. Give them some gunshots to shoot. Tell them say time. Yeah, yeah. Some boys, the type of them are bad man and a bleach show them. Bad man, them bum bum. Well, I can't believe how bad him man gets up. Can't believe some. I don't understand how some boys, the type of them are bad man and a bleach show them face and a weird tight. Bad man, them bum bum. Well, I can't believe how bad him man gets up. Can't believe some. Can't believe the little take of them get so cool. Can't believe it, can't believe it. Me can't believe them name me and hear say a man. Can't believe say five pants come in again. Can't believe say God man and Batty man afraid. Can't believe it, can't believe it. Can't believe say Batty man a run people place. Can't believe the shot of them a bleach out them face. I don't make nobody work and walk on me bed. Can't believe it, can't believe it. Can't believe some good girl gone the other way. Never know Jamaica would have come up so much gay. Can't believe say PJ them in a full play. We can't believe it. When if somebody did tell me, me would have say a lie. Learn the boys by I see for myself water fill up me eye. Wonder. Yeah. Well if somebody did tell me, me would have say a lie. Wanna know? See for myself water full up me eye. Good. Oh boy, if you take my song, turn it round. If somebody did tell me, me would have say a lie. Say certain man, a spy. Me see it for myself water full up my eye. The one down, the one there guy. Oh man, I turn around my song. Oh man, I turn my song all back way. Me no walk back way. Tell them some walk the frack way. So oh boy, I turn. Hey. Oh boy, I turn my song in the body act way. We don't work that way. Tell them to work the frack way. Yeah, that way. You understand? So them to intervene with bad man and them. Bad man hear meeting and them acknowledge it and stamp it, sign and seal. Who I take putting it to the back way. Listen me. Only batty man turn people things back way. Listen me. Let me tell you that now. Listen me. Them make 500,000 grammatical error in their song. Them a try look company. Bad man don't make mistake. I don't eat steak. It's only fish and chicken in my plate. So if you and yam steak, your life just reach at stake. So don't try violate. So as I said, listen what my song said, and listen when the sentence finish. And you get listen low. Perfect. Somebody did tell me would have say a lie. So cert man. Me see it for myself water full of my eye. So when water full of my eye, I saw this spy, don't? You did hear me say? Me see it for myself water full of my eye. The one and the one day a guy. I never that me say. So oh man end up as a missy body man and I cry. But if hold on, and even the people see body man and I cry, you can't attack them for that. What cry mean? What cry? What tears mean? Sorrow. Tears mean joy? Tell me if tears mean joy. When someone cry, what it meant? That they're happy? It meant that they are sad. That means there's something happening bad. Okay. But they would have seen Batty Guy and smile and enjoy and go and join the boy. Well, if somebody did tell me would have say a lie. Well, me see for myself water full of me high. Pusswall, can't believe they don't man about murder case. Can't believe they get to you to live certain place. Can't believe a weed that stand upside of me. They can't believe an eye. They can't believe an eye. They can't believe a little vampires them have to run. Can't believe a me decide when war be done. They can't believe a pineapple place outside the gun. They can't believe them eye. They can't believe them eye. Jackass.
You're not tired for pressure, poor people. Well, I got a message for you. Alright. Never let no problem get you down. Gotta stay focused and know your flow. Hey yo! Yellow! You know my flow. Over the years, we have been living this fear and we cry tears. Politicians, they are unfair. Anyway, never let no problem. Hold on! Yeah, me I can bug out, coach. The remix. Yeah! Poor people fed up, tired of the fuckery. Poor people fed up, tired of the fuckery. Poor people fed up, tired of the fuckery. Poor people fed up. Yeah! So over the years, let them lead on to such result. We go stand up in a road and tell them how much you're frustrated. So right now, we don't have no other result more than to stand up for your right. As Love Indira says, stand up for rice and a belly thing. Don't stand up for no rice. No disrespect, Love Indira, our artist. The song is a great one too. But no stand up for no rice. No make them come with no blood clot mackerel and rice and a belly thing. Make me tell you no this. What the helico boy come up and talk about? When him hungry, a ackee tree him climb. You can recommend my sister and my blood clot motherfucker climb ackee tree pussy wall. So me a say, me no see no ackee tree a bumbo clot Africa. Me no see none a New York. Me no see none a Miami. So one to my black brother and sister them they all over the world. When am I go to climb ackee tree? How long you go name ackee for? Every day you go name ackee. We tired of ackee too. We want a new national dish. Fuck saltfish. Want to them. Let me tell you, break it down. Who don't want to know the real national dish? Chicken back and blood clot dumpling. No make them fool you know. Lord! Saltfish deer in the ass. Oh, that's the national dish and poor people can't buy saltfish. A chicken back at the top food. No make them tell you that now. I'm say, as me tell you now, we not use we belly. And that them using at the same time and catch with mother and with poor parents. We are used with head, with knowledge. A mind game a play. Wise up, rise up, open your eyes up. A mind game time. Me no hungry for a plate of food. Me are the big bounty killer and me hungry. Tell me what me hungry for. Wanna see what they when them make them trusty judgment and pass them taxation. And one of them get up and say, yo, stop a nice old boy. Omar Davis get up and say, no roll back. Me wonder when believe and Paul Farm, when I talk to him, go and him call them. So me say, me hungry for justice, equal rights. And people for have fair share and minimum wages to raise, and the youth them have fair opportunity to get them energy, them health check, and them have education, and everybody can benefit perfect, and them have to build from the ghetto go up. So as me say, I honor you know, me can't do not more than tell you now as me see it. As me see it along the way. You no better hold on the foot. And nobody with a bag of run go vote for them boy when time them come fix to look a road and pretty tough. Cause we have a long way to go here. So when time of the year them raise gas and rhythm I come with some other tax. So no prepare, it now gonna be nice. So as I said, never let no problem get you down. Gotta stay focused and know your ground. Though we see so blessed, there is no progress. We still also
One ENT.
do what we do so we stay.
When me a big man with my family, right? And no fussy out there no like me. Me no have no wife, but woman I'm picking it. And no booger man can't bother me.
Say it again.
And no booger man can't bother me.
Say it again.
Me no book for the past come study me. Right. I will shut down your woman and your family. But to me have stone love sound in front of it. Me nah go make it Ralph bother me.
Say it again.
Me nah go make it.
Never rule for them. If you don't say nah, sleep in the one. Hold on them. Hey, with the exchange crew there. With the Scare Dem Crew there. Ocho Rios, bad man time. Bad man time. PD say you are.
Bad man.
Listen.
Me gonna miss the way no bad man. If you dig me, it's not a good a dead man. Either by a shot or young. Bad man pass it up in a me and bad man. Stone up them in the with a rat man. And if you this the program, you's a dead man. Either by a no buy a.
Yeah, you been no Ocho Rios, say.
Nigga bleed just like us. What picture me being fed up? I'm gonna play the same sound as me. Nigga bleed just like us. And picture me being fed to defend my life for 40. Nigga bleed just like us. And picture nigga run away from a fight. Some boy must be right. Nigga bleed just like us. And picture me being fed to look up on where I'm
Here we go.
Man up a squeeze. This is a cheese.
Hey, hold on there. I want Zebra play from now.
Yeah, bad man.
Hey, if you don't say respect Zebra now. Zebra!
Y'all who we pitch up a frame, it's not about that avenue, it's not about that lane. Look, y'all know them just a call up a name. You know the birds and all, and all the fall in the rain. Y'all see us? When love no pet, no team, it's all about that avenue, it's all about that lane. No sweating with them just a call up a name. All of the birds and all, and all the fall in the rain. Y'all see us? We are the first one, make she choo like a train. We are the first one, make she look a fire flame. Bust out the lane and bust out on the main. Make she get a beat up and fly out on the plane. Finger full of ring and her neck full of chain. Fly go up on a mommy go fear a skin. We are the first one maker.
And why you more Zebra and Zebra?
See me, have a new style when me call it to see me. New style I will keep me with that spirit flingy. More time me DJ, more time me singing. All you have to do is just show it out. See me, stand up on the lens, cup and y'all fast. See me, one short Zebra, me answer. See me, and you sing away run fast. See me,
Hey, Ocho Rios, yeah, you know well.
right down here, name and her phone number back to me. She start laugh, me swear to me winning. Say she have to leave, and next time she see me, what's her style name again?
See me?
Why you me dash it? Why you me flingy? Still love DJ, still love singing. All you have to do is just shout out to see me. Alright. Here on me know it, yo, and see me. But yeah, I know it's dance just right to me. Let's get back to report, just a flingy. I eat some guinea pig and rock up a twinny. Him girl beg a nanny, me tell her, see me.
Hey, hold on a Zebra.
Yeah, come, give me. Where me say stand name again?
See me?
Where me say stand name again? Yeah, me have a trophy with Merlina to give me.
I worry about now the wickedest combination I world.
I put me from a day source.
It's about to Vegas.
Just tell her what big way now, left ya know. We control them, y'all know. Tell her what big way now, left ya know. Pull up from the place now. Tell her what big way now, left ya know. We control them, y'all wow. Tell her what big way now, left ya know. Them y'all friends tell her we them.
Bojo! Long size brother! Full on the refix! Boy, Jenny, we had a big something for us. What is this song? Hey, big and serious for all the people who respect Zebra now. What's Zebra? Watch it now. Yeah, you know, Bojo!
Confident, a rude boy, not fear no less.
Bojo! Lighter! Hey, we now run with the truth tonight. You want one now? Ocho Rios. Vegas.
And just like a boy who we now go me say it's I and them still go bow. Have to love
Don't call me name, don't spend no room, I'm
Now vigilante. We no CIA.
no information, I suspect don't play.
Hey, hold on the Vegas second for the girl in case.
your hands up. All bad money for no never bow. Y'all never yet say you know. I'm singing a left where you show about. Hey, would you?
Well, on the look, good on all over the ballon. Look like good about me was good. Yeah! Oh, them look good, they think I'll run a ballon. Hold on, they come on with this like a good boy. So wanna bring your body, come down, bring it come. Right in your body, I want a can down. Bring your body, come down, bring it come. Swim for your body, that's it. Woman, the soon about to ride a murder. What about the one the heart to a chat for? Again, woman, the soon about to ride a Vegas, we love 3 feet so far.
Me want you to get up, fling it up like you don't care. I make all them man over be a nice tasty fair. I move your waist and I make your
Hey, hold on the pineapple. Hold on the watch it. Yeah, you mean it.
put up on no one in a the eye. You don't ever get a slam yet be a liar. And I
right. I forget your body. So long, can they go down the good. That good. Yes, I'm on the good. Good. When them go to, well, Selassie, I know me, I tell you. All in the meantime, massive, we don't know, one is enough respect. And every aspect to all the Ocho Rios crew in our place. Big up. The exchange massive. Send me here massive. Big up nine place, see? Yeah. We don't know they're not full force spreadsheet, so watch your face. And I'm so, oh, God bless no man curse. Oh, you like Dennis, don't worry yourself, because you don't know what to say. An original, give him a dance. I go bust in a Maroon Park. The 15th of the month, me, Anna and Nitro. Saying, so don't worry yourself. Yellow Kid, don't worry yourself. Yeah, Music Avenue, don't worry yourself. Saying, yeah, I'm big about James Avenue crew. You don't know. Okay, see? Now, Colonel, you don't know. You have to bring in some more Guinness right now, you know, Brethren. Because it's Stone Love. Stone Love is a part of Guinness. I'm going to make the people know. Yes, you have to support the Guinness. You understand? See, now I'm on the rum cream again. A Guinness. You understand? Extra store to... Hey, yo, Brethren, you hear me? Hold on, man. You buy one, you lead to another. Bully. Collect that function. Right now, see? Now, you hear me? Ocho Rios people. Remember Dennis saying, you know, so the big dance in a Maroon Park, White River, the 15th of the month, me, and the night show, saying, I know, say, I drink all night, think $6 for everything, to miss this to this, and a Colonel of the part promotion. Colonel, I want to your father, you're Christian or Brethren. You understand, see? Yo, Ocho Rios people, there I know. Yeah, I don't know one sort of respect our Connecticut crew, big up the New York City crew, James Avenue crew, big up all Ocho Rios crew, St. James Massive, big up too. Saying Westmoreland people there, big up on the Mandeville people there. Saying sort of big up. Saying St. Mary Massive, Short Town, where they come from, Clarkstown, those big up. Kingston people there, hold on the father. Big up the cassette freak them. Hold on the man father.
Soul of sound is coming through. You eat a sound won't do. The girls laughing at you. Like China Wall, soul of sound is standing tall. We'll play the hits for you, yeah. The ruling sound for true. Soul of sound is here to stay. Lord have mercy. So love block the place. How could I let you get away? Soul of sound is always here to stay. How could I let you get away? Soul of sound is ruling sound today.
All the people right now, when enough of them love Stone Love, put your hand on the air if you love Stone Love. Because if you never love Stone Love, you know they are so. And all the people who respect Bounty Killer, put the next hand up on the air right now. And massive, you hear me now, brethren? We're going to start with a rhythm named Street Sweeper. We bust them rhythm and we're free for talk. Some boy are vex, but you hear me? You hear me now? Street Sweeper massive. Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios. Lighter.
Don't wanna make it deep. I really don't
Lights
care.
up.
Keep on saying.
Lights up.
Trying to think and dream.
Red lights.
Myself to see from a way. Ooh, what I feel could it be you and me till the end of time.
Hey, Ocho Rios people, street people. I mean, say, honey, honey, yeah.
I gotta be the one you tell.
Yo.
I gotta be the one you love.
Yo.
I gotta be the one you feel.
I don't need the one.
La 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 bum bum today. I am not even got just today.
Hey, Ocho Rios people, yeah, you know. Ocho Rios. I miss the people, are you ready?
Dancer, you like Nico, Swamp Thing, Billy Slaughter.
Yeah, you know Ocho Rios, full bunch.
So much about me brown, Jaja know say me black. Me slim, me tell them borrow pants and no fat.
Hey, all the people who proud to be Jamaican. If you don't say proud of their color, put your hand here right now.
The favorite song that I don't love that.
Hold on
let me go a movie.
Hey, what on the people? What on the people? Yes, the next week. I want to eye them know, so yes, the next week. A big showdown. Seeing the reggae boys them. I'm going to play against the South African them. And the youth that carry the flag high. Just like how Stone over carried higher. You understand? All over the world we are Jamaican. So all the people who proud to be Jamaican right now, put your hand in the air right now. All original Jamaican people, put your hand in the air some light, Alberto.
People, you like Rory, you like Cancer, you like Nico,
Danny Dread,
Swamp Thing,
Mikey Dread, Music
Billy
Easy
Slaughter,
God,
Man
Castle
Bill
Soul.
Cosby.
Yeah, you know.
Me slim, me tell them borrow band and no fat.
Me DJ
Violet and dreadlocks. I get me weed pot in a me diamond socks. Favorite sound that I stone love that. So when me go a movie, yes me sit down in a box. Show where we watch sweep outside that. Your trouble stone love, yes you must be get shot. Me slim and me no fat, but me culture me no slack. But I man as a DJ know me not turn back. The tick attack we make the people them rock. The jacker from the back a man a roll and the black. So tell them stone love at the cream and the crop. And anytime in pass, yes the road of the black from what is.
Hey, hold on there. Mr. Vegas there too. Hold on the people. Yeah, you know.
So right now your bills like a space to cheap for sneak or something. Bills has been space if I don't know, so you not take the wrong road. And you don't know, so right you know what woman and
Put some fire on the board. Put some fire.
Hey, Bonga push the grass, yeah. And let us jump and let we shout out. But away the grass, yeah. A papi Big Mac 11 of them out. Bonga push the grass, yeah. Billy Slaughter not drive a back road. But how the grass, yeah. The girl them that just a woman a drive round. But I could a can man, can married man, gun man. You take the tango.
Hey, all the man them big off zero. Where's the key boy for that again? Some signal, yeah, you know. Hey, on the fire,
one on the fire, make them wave. Who does, yeah.
Yeah, you know, master.
One on the fire, make them wave.
Put some fire on the water.
On the fire, on the men.
Hey,
you know, you know, no, them.
officer.
Good times to one love, not eat them friend. Them a men. Slaughter no bar with them. Hey, what you say again?
What you say again? Hey,
you know, you know, with them. Good times Jesus not eat them friend. Them a men. Some in not bar with them. Help me sing the anthem. We is them like thirst them. And you know me if you put a fire on the funk them. Come me y'all we is fine out.
Hey, every day my name is Street Sweeper. You walk on Ocho Rios.
Forget no children. Two eyes of bill.
And when you sing them,
they kill them. Sometimes you know
hey, what on them? All the people that don't say them love ganja right now, put your hand here right now. If you don't say love ganja, put your hand here right now. Ganja man sister!
On the urban get a humble talk. But I couldn't stop this one up. Yo, that's gonna be a pole.
Hey, when the ganja man has some light and water here.
Look, you go around. I small the urban get a humble talk. Boy, get a chop under you. Them charge you for your phone. Come on aside, what you know? I'm a Gideon soon.
What you know?
I'm only one of them souls. It a make me close, it a make me turban, and it a make me rumble. Make the black woman skirt and the black woman blouse. Make the black man shirt, the man the black man. We medicate black people and put sickness below.
Hey, all the people right now, if you don't say a bad man, if you don't say art clear 1999, clean hearted people. Sister.
Hey, there's nothing in them system.
Yeah, you know some lights up.
It's all around. They criticize Pharaoh night rain.
Yeah, you know Rasta man.
They were to they're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around.
I mean, say,
dance a yard before you
go abroad.
People want to tell you that and you the proud.
And when you sing out, they say, good ways.
Good ways. Stretch your cross, I am good. Can go have some good ways. Good ways. Yo,
hey, hold on, love. All the people who know love in their heart right now. Ain't no saying about my right here, sister. Sister.
Never let them worry you at all.
Sister.
You can only be yourself, my friend, that's all. Yeah, yeah.
Yo.
I'm sure they have said it many times before. Until they can't follow it and that's for sure.
All original clean on you, yeah, you know.
See the woman, them come your face all. True love is always here. No matter how we press our we raga here. We no care. True love is always.
Hey, we not stop. You walk one of them. All original one will you. Hey, what on them?
I'm alive. Work good and swear I'll be old with my sight. Some will say, hey, rather do what they like. Some will look to press them one bit here.
Yeah, you know what to raise, hey.
Some don't share their heart, it's like ice. Wait to see your fall, full of your own.
Hey, no why you keep it up on the rhythm, you know. No why you keep it on.
Yo, well, I'm on the mission, so what is my plan? Yo!
Hey, Bridget, pull them tune up. How we bust them tune up with a favorite talk, we can brag and show off. Easy, Michael, just big up. Use the big crew. Yeah, you know.
I'm on the mission, so what is
my purpose? Hey, with a lighter in the Ocho Rios, pineapple lighter. When you think of it,
I'm on the mission, so what is my purpose?
hey, you see under the right now. But it's a game boy for the put under the right now. Press it over. Yo, I'm in the hoop again, mash up. I'm gonna get mash up.
Right, this is exactly
Bridget, load up.
the glory can't be blocking out.
Colonel, big up. Yeah, you know. I'm on a mission, me say what is my purpose? Hey, all the man right now say gear boy for this and let's stand for this some lighter. Put them on here right now. I'm me say, oh God.
I'm on the mission, say what is my purpose? This is the youth, them a step up.
Hey, yeah, you know, Bridget. Yeah, you know. Shoot some boy. I'm me say, who will get much up? Hey, I go get much up. Who will get much? I go get much up. Who will get much up? I go get much up. Yeah, you know me, born in the area. Oh, Lord.
Flex like the eagle and the dragon.
Hold on a Bridget. Hold on a Bridget. Hold on a Bridget.
And the final
Hold on a Bridget.
righteousness is exaltation, the righteousness cannot be forgotten, and the glory can't be
Of four places we can big it up on you. Hold on.
I'm on a mission, say what is my purpose? This is the youth, them a live up. On a mission, say what is my purpose? This is the wicked man a run up. On a mission, say what.
All the youths from right now, if you don't see a step up in our life, and you now watch your face, nobody can obey you put on the right now. God damn hard. I'm in the hand in the who will get muscle. Hey, I go get muscle. I go get mother.
I go get broke up. They know if you live up, I feel just
Can't put on the way you
say I'm a city from I feel just one give up. They know if you corrupt and they done bad corrupt. Who feel get tired? I go get tired. Who feel get pull up?
yeah, you know. Hey, you can't hold on the father. But now stop on the jump up thing, you know. But you can't tell us that's our bus dance big time. With a ramp put in a bedroom. A computerized sound I play right now. Some boy not even like, yo! Bedroom, bad man time. Bad man time. Here boy run from boy. Some signal.
No way.
Hey, baby, show me in a place. Big up too.
Man, that's good.
Hey, well, lighter, watch it.
We no like. Well, I'm just for some
Lighter.
You no like. Man, well, me want it right away. How we run them. Man and bad man can't be friends. You no like. The man. Where's your man?
Hey, where's you? I'm Mr. Where's you are?
No boy can't come marching at Kingston City.
You must be mad. Mr. Where's you? I'm Mr. Where's you are?
No, the boy can't come hard from Christmas Day.
You must be mad.
Every day you get up and a medal with side. Woman so sweet and I'm so right. You remember, you can't run but you can't hide.
But you don't see no like a gay boy for the one.
Oh, we don't like it. If I put a barrier size to a love, don't like it. That's another.
She fucks a lie.
Niggas send them over high. Party where you be, we are fight.
Yeah, you better watch it.
Fight, we not like.
Hey.
Watch it from a satellite. One thing I like. See that's how we prepare like and we not like. Y'all are coming away tight and then they full of.
Yeah, you better know.
Nothing we don't know them. All them not like me. See them all like. But still not cycling. But me a cut and got so gone. No one them want this fight. But who don't like me? They don't like me. So me that's a palaver.
Hey, all the people who respect bound together, some signal, put your hand up there. Put your hand up there, you know, bounce. Oh, Godfather, hold on there. Hold on there.
Hypocrite and parasites don't love your life. They are mad as an because when them over hype, what's the way I give you a fight? So can't go to them back by doing a like. Watch it from a satellite, one thing I like. See like how we prepare like and how we not like. Y'all are coming away tight and then weed is lying. Yes, it's reality has moved to the end of the world.
So weed is lying.
Just face reality and smoke weed.
All the people that have been sell of the marijuana and the ganja. So long. Remix.
Hey, to the government, me a put a question more. You grant small one. One piece alongside the golden dragon.
Hey, hold on there. Hold on, a big and serious. Hold on, a virgin from night. Me a play a whole heap of young people tune. Hold on, a father. No bother with that now. No bother with the arms house in the car. No respect to the foundation people. We have a big up the elder them where I support the bar them too, you know. So don't worry yourself, you know. So yeah, you know, virgin, all original foundation people, you know. A full time, you know.
Love and hate can never be fair.
Hey, you are one of the foundation people. Yeah, you me?
Oh no.
Yo!
Wagwan ENT.